Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CapCut for affiliate short-form video marketing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install CapCut on your device, begin by checking the compatibility with your operating system. If you're using a mobile device, open the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. In the search bar, type CapCut and press enter. Look for the CapCut app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app to view more details. Check the ratings and reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Then, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download to complete. After installation, open the CapCut app from your device's home screen. If prompted, grant necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on key features like templates and editing tools. To create your first video, tap on the New Project button. Import your video clips and any other media you want to include. Utilize CapCut's editing tools to trim, cut, and enhance your video clips. Add text, music, and effects as needed to make your video engaging. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the Export button to save your video. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate before finalizing the export. After exporting, you can easily share your video across various platforms for affiliate marketing. Remember to keep your content authentic to resonate with your audience. Stay updated with CapCut's new features for continuous improvement in your video marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.